Have you ever sneezed and someone said, "Bless you"? But have you ever wondered why? The answer might surprise you. This phrase dates back to the 6th century when a deadly plague was spreading. People believed sneezing was a sign of the disease, so saying "bless you" was a way to wish someone protection. Others thought sneezing released the soul, and the phrase was meant to keep it inside. Some even believed a sneeze could stop your heart for a second, so the blessing was for safety. Over time, it became a habit, and now we say it without even thinking. Did you already know this? Do you say "bless you" when someone sneezes? Let me know in the comments.